I'm Captain Jobert A. Bisande from the Special Forces Regiment Airborne, the Philippine Army. I'm proud PMA Alabtala class of 2018 and a member of 9th Special Forces Hounds Company of 3rd Special Forces Arrowhead Battalion. So in my second lieutenant days and first lieutenant days, may marami kaming operations dito sa area. Nagkaroon kami ng major encounter with the enemy dito sa Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur, na demoralize yung kalaban doon dahil sa engagement na yun during the pandemic area. And then, yung mga kalaban na yun is plano nilang harasin yung mga sundalo at mga pulis na nagbibigay ng special amelioration cash sa mga tao doon sa area na yun. And then, in my CMO side o Civil Military Operations Officer side is na-assign kami sa lugar na tinatawag nila na red flag area, which is infested by the NPA. So merong isang eskwelahan na nagge-generate ng mga kadre ng mga NPA dito sa lugar na ito, which is yung Alcadeb. So malaking part ng unit namin for the 12 years stay namin dito sa area is nabuwag namin ito. And then, these deeds na ginawa namin, meron akong award, which is yung Gold Cross medal. And then, sa pagiging warrior side and sa pagiging peace operator, nagkaroon kami ng award, which is yung Military Achievement Medal, na nagsasabi na naging part kami sa progress ng province na ito. And bilang isang Scout Ranger and Special Forces operator, inaanyayahan ko kayo na sumali sa amin. So be a Special Forces and be a Scout Ranger.
Thank you.